Surfboard.
Yeah, surfboard, sorry.
But what you said, that's like the old proverb. You know, what you say, if you want to go somewhere fast, go by yourself. If you want to go further, you go together.
Yeah.
Man, that's something.
Just this boy can go all the way there.
That dude got nuts. I always say that because I can't swim. I'm not a strong swimmer, rather. What about shellfish, like oysters and things of that nature? Yeah.
Usually get them when they go deep sea.
Hey, he's going on.
Yeah, he's going all the way.
He'll go. He'll go.
Go sit there. Glad to see him. You drink the water? Why not? My man, my man. And say alone, the water came to get my shoe. I had to run and get it. He's still going. Get closer. I can't adjust. I couldn't adjust the picture, so I had to get closer.
Oh, okay, all right.
He's still out there.
But don't follow him before you realize you are there.
Oh, no.
You'll be looking on the phone.
No,
before you realize you are
no. I am, yes, I'm conscious of it. Once the water hit my foot, I'm going back anyway. When I feel it,